Hi, I'm Bill Snyder, and I've asked to be placed on the agenda to speak to you about the district's debt and to discuss ways to improve our situation. I think everyone knows that the Lanark Village Water and Sewer District is in financial trouble, and that this is going and it has been going downhill for a long time. Our situation gets worse as the months go by. Everything cannot be blamed on Commissioners Sharon, Thoman, and Barbara Rohrs, but they do bear a large share of the responsibility. From the day they took office, they seized control and froze the third commissioner out of any type of effective input. They make most of their decisions without public discussion or any type of democratic process. It appears that they spend the district's money as if it were their own. It looks to me as if our lawyer shares the same belief. I have been trying to find out what we owe Attorney Brian Armstrong for the last 2 years, and I've ran into a brick wall every time. If I try to ask him during a meeting, he goes off on a tangent about something entirely different, and I'm usually told I'm out of order by either Commissioner Rohrs or Thoman. When I present a document asking for the bills at the district office to Secretary Carol Reynolds, I'm either told I either don't get an answer, or I'm given the attorney's bill for the current quarter and told that that is it. Each time I've asked, I've been led to believe that he has forgiven the debt from the past. I have recently learned that this is not the case. We currently owe approximately $70,000 to Attorney Brian Armstrong. That comes to an average of $35,000 per year, which is roughly 10% of every penny this district brings in. Attorney Armstrong's contract calls for him to be paid $350 per meeting, and this includes travel expenses. We should only owe him $8,400 for 24 months worth of meetings. The question is, how and why have Commissioners Thoman and Rohrs run up such a large bill? It is hard to understand how the bill has gone up an additional $61,600. What has Attorney Armstrong been doing to earn this much extra money? Who authorized him to put so much time in that he could bill such an astronomical sum? I don't ever remember the board discussing or voting to have Armstrong do all this extra work. The stakeholders of this district should not have to pay for the incompetence of our commissioners. In my opinion, Attorney Armstrong should be fired, and Commissioners Thoman and Rohrs should be asked to resign immediately. It is also my opinion that we should only pay Attorney Armstrong the $8,400 that his contract calls for, and that Sharon, Thoman, and Barbara Rohrs be held responsible for the rest. Thank you. It's not reasonable to shut me out. I was on the agenda.